Hi everyone, it's me Doris back again with another video on how I maintain my mini braids. As we all know, if you've been following up on my journey, these braids have been there for now 11 weeks and I am thinking of pushing up to 4 months. Yeah, I've really enjoyed this journey, guys, and I can't wait to see the outcome. So, if this is your first time to see my face, hi, I'm so excited to have you here. I am called Doris, and on this channel, I always share natural hair, fitness, and lifestyle content. So, if you have any interest in any of them, please do so to join the family. And for those that are returning viewers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my content. It really means a lot to me. May God bless you. So guys, all right, enough with the talking. So first of all, my hair is always kept in cornrows so that I can protect my ends. So before I do anything on my hair on my wash days, I make sure I first spray water or I make water run through my hair, and then I unravel my cornrows like you saw earlier in the video, and then after that I add more water. I allow water to flow through my hair so that they are very wet. I don't know why, but I really enjoy that stage. I feel like there is more to explore at that stage. So I make sure I take my time and allow my hair to take in a lot of water. It is so relieving. Next, I put in my shampoo. And this particular shampoo is really nice. It forms leather for me. I'm liking it, and somehow it is very thick. So with the shampoo, I put it on my scalp directly, and unfortunately the first time it does not form good leather, so I have to go in the second time with another shampoo after rinsing out for the first time, so that I can feel my scalp thoroughly cleaned. A lot of people think protective styles don't need moisture because the hair is tucked away. That's actually one of the biggest mistakes you can make. Every few days, I lightly spray my hair with water because water is the best moisturizer. Then I follow up with my DIY hair cocktail made with rosemary, cloves, beetroot leaves. Then I go in with my leave-in condition and then seal in with a lightweight oil to help keep the moisture from escaping. The goal isn't to soak the braids, I just want them slightly damp and hydrated. Next is my scalp. A healthy scalp creates the best environment for healthy hair growth. I gently massage a little oil into my scalp using my fingertips. The massage increases blood circulation, and honestly, it feels so relaxing after a long day. I also avoid scratching my hair with nails because that can cause irritation and even tiny injuries. If my scalp feels itchy, I moisturize it instead. The other thing I do is I sleep with a Satin bonnet every single night. Cotton pillows absorb moisture from your hair and create friction, which can lead to frizz and breakage. If I notice a few flyaways, I smooth them by simply retwist the loose sections. I don't try to make the braids look brand new because some frizz is completely normal. I also avoid constantly styling my braids into tight ponytails because too much tension can damage the edges. My final tip is to always listen to your hair. If your hair feels dry, moisturize it. If your scalp feels dirty, cleanse it gently. If your braids become extremely frizz or your new growth starts tangling, it's probably time to take them down instead of keeping them in for too long. Protective styles only protect your hair if you are actually protecting it. So guys, that's my entire mini braid maintenance routine. It's simple, affordable, and it's been working really well for me. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's your biggest struggle when it comes to maintaining mini braids. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of the video. Bye bye.